My name is Spencer Hedlund, and I'm a citizen scholar. I started going to college here for the aerospace program. I've always wanted to work at Kennedy Space Center or NASA or one of the contractors. During Club Rush, I met Aaron and Rotaract. And at first, I wasn't going to do citizen scholar, but I accumulated like 70, 80 hours in the first semester or two. So I decided to push for it. Rotaract is the volunteer side of Rotary. I get to engage in the community, networking, meeting new people, and I have met many friends and many business acquaintances. One of Rotaract's slogans is fellowship through service and service above self. To me, it means to not be selfish and help others out. Those that are more fortunate should help those that are less fortunate. That's what I've always believed. I decided to volunteer in the community because I grew up in a farming community and we always help each other out. What's rewarding to me is helping others and kind of networking, meeting new people in the community.